welcome back to Nurse Queries. Today let's discuss JPHL, AIMS, JIPMER, PSC and Staff Nurse Exam based questions and answers. Section 8. First one, leptospirosis is a dash disease. Option A, biphasic disease. Option B, monophasic disease. Option C, none of the above. Answer, option A, biphasic disease. Leptospirosis is a biphasic disease. Second one, who first described Weil's disease? Option A, Adolf Weil. Option B, Weil Edwin. Option C, Arthur Stimson. Answer, option A, Adolf Weil. Leptospirosis is a blood infection caused by bacteria Leptospira, and this Weil's disease, it's an acute and also the severe form of leptospirosis. Third one, which bacteria cause leptospirosis? Option A, Leptospira. Option B, Leptospirosis. Option C, leprosis. Answer, option A, Leptospira. Leptospirosis is caused by spirochete bacteria that belongs to genus Leptospira and which is aerobic and right-handed helical, and also it is 6 to 20 micrometers long. Fourth one, what does DALY stands for? Option A, Disability Adjusted Life Year. Option B, Daily Assessment Life Year. Option C, none of the above. Answer, option A, Disability Adjusted Life Year. Fifth one, expand NORD. Option A, National Organization for Rare Disorder. Option B, National Organization for Rabies Disease. Option C, National Organization for Raccoon Roundworm Disease. Answer, option A, National Organization for Rare Disorder. Sixth one, what is the scientific name of leptospirosis? Option A, Leptospira. Option B, Leptospirosis. Option C, Spirochetes. Answer, option A, Leptospira. Seventh one, leptospirosis is known as option A, rat fever. Option B, field fever. Option C, rat catchers yellows. Option D, all the above. Answer, option D, all the above. Leptospirosis is also known as rat fever, field fever and rat catchers yellows. Eighth one, the classic form of severe leptospirosis is known as option A, Weil's disease. Option B, Leptospira. Option C, Spirochetes. Answer, option A, Weil's disease. The classic form of severe leptospirosis is known as Weil's disease. Leptospirosis is a biphasic disease. The symptoms of first phase, that is acute or leptospiromic phase, it lasts for 5 to 7 days, and the second phase is an immune phase. In this phase, the symptoms resolve as antibodies against the bacteria are produced. Ninth one, leptospirosis belongs to which family? Option A, Leptospiraceae. Option B, Leptospirosis. Option C, Spirochaetaceae. Answer, option A, Leptospiraceae. Tenth one, expand MAT or MAT. Option A, microscopic agglutination test. Option B, microscopic axial technology. Option C, none of the above. Answer, option A, microscopic agglutination test. 11th one, who observed Leptospira first in postmortem? Option A, Arthur Stimson. Option B, Weil's Adolf. Option C, Weil's Stimson. Answer, option A, Arthur Stimson. Arthur Stimson is the person who first observed Leptospira in postmortem. 12th one, the symptoms of leptospirosis can occur between dash days from the time of infection. Option A, 3 to 21 days. Option B 14 to 30 days. Option C 14 to 36 days. The symptoms of leptospirosis can occur between 3 to 21 days from the time of infection. 13th one. Which of the following is the complication of leptospirosis? Option A. Pulmonary hemorrhage. Option B. Jaundice. Option C. Renal impairment. Option D. All the above. Answer. Option D. All the above. Leptospirosis can cause pulmonary hemorrhage, jaundice and also renal impairment. 14th one. At what temperature does the leptospirosis die? Option A 50 degrees Celsius. Option B 122 degree Fahrenheit. Option C all the above. Option D none of the above. Answer option C all the above. Leptospirosis can die at 50 degrees Celsius or 122 degree Fahrenheit. 15th one. Port disease is also known as option A tuberculous spondylitis, option B spondylosis, option C IVDP or intervertebral disc prolapse, option D none of the above. Answer option A tuberculous spondylitis. Port disease is the classic presentation of extrapulmonary tuberculosis. 16th one. Port disease is the tuberculosis of the dash. Option A lungs, option B spine, option D all the above. Answer option B spine. 17th one. Expand PPD. Option A purified plasma derivatives, option B purified protein derivative, option C proton pump depressor. Answer option B purified protein derivative. 18th one. Who first described port disease? Option A Percival Port, option B Port Henry Percival, option C none of the above. Answer option A Percival Port. Port disease is named after Percival Port. He is a British surgeon who first described port disease in the late 18th century. 19th one. Which one of these represents the radiographic changes of port disease? Option A. Lytic destruction of anterior portion of vertebral body. Option B. Increased anterior verging. Option C. Fusiform paravertebral shadows suggest abscess formation. Option D. All the above. Option E. None of the above. Answer option D. All the above. The radiographic changes of port disease include lytic destruction of anterior portion of vertebral body, and also there will be an increased anterior verging, and fusiform paravertebral shadow suggests abscess formation. Moreover, there will be collapse of vertebral body and also reactive sclerosis on a progressive lytic process. 21. Port disease usually occurs due to option A. Hematogenous spread from other side, option B. Lung infection, option C. Meningitis, option D. None of the above. Answer option A. Hematogenous spread from the other side. Port disease usually occurs due to the hematogenous spread from the other side, often from the lung. Thank you.
Please subscribe and press the bell icon to get further notification.